Thank you. Of course, he's got this amazing CAE shifter. I'm gonna have to reacquaint myself with this thing. Oh man, these brakes. Not used to that pedal pressure. Or lack thereof, I should say. Go ahead, Porsche. I am no match for a GT3. Sorry, Joe. That is my bad. But I will say your brake pedal just basically went to the floor there. I'm going to call that a session right there. I guess I should go in from the... Yeah. Well, yeah, I don't know what happened there, Joe. Your brakes were feeling, I mean, soft as usual, but it was stopping consistently. And guess until that last lap, the pedal just went to the floor. That was very weird. I hope your car's all right. Steering feels good. I don't think the alignment's off or anything. Hi there.
No, it carried a little bit of dirt.
A little bit of dirt. I'm planning to just bring it back in. I think I've had enough of for today.
Good deal, man.
Thanks, man. Does the car look all right?
Yeah. I mean, I can. You've got some gravel.
Some gravel. Yeah.
But
all right. All right. Around this car.
That gate back powder.
Sounds good. Thanks, man.
All right, man.
Anyways, before that cut the session short for me, this car is a ton of fun to drive. More fun here by far than at Laguna Seca. And that comes down to the fact that I can actually wind the thing out, and this track has faster corners, like turns 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, all those corners basically, where I can really play with the rear end stepping out and really hold slides longer. And that's what makes this car so much fun to drive. It's so controllable. And I know Joe was telling me how a lot of E46 M3 track guys like to swap out the steering rack for a Z4M steering rack, which is a much quicker ratio. I actually really like how this feels because the ratio is a little slow, but that means you can dial in very, very precise inputs, and the car doesn't feel overly twitchy. So I guess it's, you know, just depends on what you prefer, but I really like how this car feels. Power feels great. I don't think the car needs any more power. It's got more than enough to step the rear end out basically at the touch of a throttle. Brakes though are just not my favorite, I must say. There's no bite in the pads whatsoever, but let's talk to Joe here. Dude, I'm sorry, but I kind of went off a little bit.
Did you really?
Yeah, so you know how I've been complaining about the brakes, right?
Yeah.
They were fine. I was just driving around and trying to get used to it. Did a bunch of 44s back to back, and then the last lap, going up to the corkscrew, the pedal just went to the floor.
Oh, you maybe it over. Yeah, see, that's what. So it's not just me. God damn it.
So I went off straight. So I don't think anything happened.
Okay, that's
We can
fine.
check it out, but
Shiny side up.
shiny side up, right? Exactly. Yeah. So the
Did you
corkscrew.
hit like a berm or anything?
No, I didn't hit the berm or anything. I just went kind of straight off into the gravel, and then I just kept going.
Oh, okay.
I'll show you in the
On
footage.
side, on
Yeah,
the way.
hopefully everything's good,
Yeah,
but
I mean,
we'll
I'll do
see.
a full inspection once I get back.
All right.
44s now?
A bunch of 44s back to back.
How'd the car feel?
Dude, the car feels so much better. I was telling, the camera's still rolling, by the way. It feels so much better here than at Thunder Hill West.
Yeah.
Because I can just, you'll see on camera, like I can just power oversteer like
Yeah.
every corner.
That's what I do, like especially turn 2. Right as soon as I get past that first apex, I start putting the throttle, so
Yeah.
that it just rotates.
It rotates so well, and then also, you know how you were saying like a lot of guys do the Z4M rack?
Yeah.
I actually like the speed of this rack, or like the lack of speed in this rack, because it lets you put in very fine
Small
adjustments.
input. Okay.
Yeah.
I see what you're
Yeah,
saying.
and this car really likes to you can steer with the throttle.
There's, like,
Maybe a
different
little quicker would
Yeah,
be good.
yeah,
Yeah. But like the S2000, when I have to make counter steer like
It's like-
corrections, it's like that. Like you have like half a second to do it. And this one, I can just kind of take my time.
Yeah. No, yeah, and I know exactly what you mean. Like, especially like turn 9 coming down that little long sweeper.
Yeah.
Like sometimes when the tail kicks out, I can just feel it. I'm like, oh, here we go, and then like I just kind of catch it and I go back.
Yeah. And
That's
you can
what it feels
feel it very precisely because the steering wheel, like it just gives you feedback, but it's also slow.
Yeah.
So you can just
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun,
It
man.
really doesn't snap really that much.
Yeah.
This car.
Well, you got to do something about your brakes though.
I know.
I can't believe it just went to the floor though.
So
Yeah, it went to the floor.
it's not just me. That's all I needed to confirm though.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry about that.